In summer, there is a lot of problem of food poisoning and heat stroke. Do not eat outside food and uncovered food. Along with this, raw onion should be eaten to avoid heat stroke. In summer, the body needs more fluids. Drinking sattu mixed in water is most beneficial for the stomach. Sweet or salty sattu can be prepared by mixing sugar or salt. Gram and lentil soup are also beneficial. Drinking buttermilk or whey is good for health in this season. Use less sour, salt, ghee and oil in food. In summer, watermelon is a good source to fulfill the lack of water in the body. This is a fruit which has the highest amount of antioxidants and water. In summer, energy drinks are needed the most. This does not cause lack of water in the body and it remains hydrated. Buttermilk, fruit juice, milkshake, green salad etc. should be included in the diet in summer. Lemon water should be drunk daily. Coconut water is 99% fat-free. The amount of sugar in it is very less. Coconut water should be consumed in abundance during summers.